Let's talk about why everyone needs to jump on the tubing mascara train. I had never tried tubing mascara before I got sent a sample of this BLINC amplified tubing mascara. Fell in love, never went back. So I have tried a couple of other drugstore tubing mascaras as well because I was like, oh, maybe they're all just good. But honestly, I'm in love with this BLINC one. The application is really good. It does a good job of not clumping, as you can see on the lashes. And I'm going to show you guys why do I love tubing mascara. First of all, I personally hate waterproof mascara. Like, it's too much work to get off my eyes. And then with a lot of other non-waterproof, you'll get like the flakiness and potentially the raccoon eye kind of thing going on. So that's why this is literally the perfect medium because it stays to your eye, it sticks to your eyelashes. You don't get the flakiness, raccoon eyes, and it literally comes off in tubes. And I'm going to show you guys later how I take this off at night. You're going to see it literally comes off in tubes and it leaves no residue underneath your eye. But like, look at this. Nothing. Mascara. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how it comes off because that's the part that like blows my mind and how it wears during the day. Okay, but there it is. Like, applies really well. Good volume, not clumpy. Now let me show you how it takes off. Okay, these are the tubes that it comes off in, and look, they don't bleed at all. They're just like little rubber tubes. Okay, literally just washed my face with only a cleanser. And look at that. I mean, there's no raccoon eye. I didn't have to use makeup remover. Like, it's just gone. It just tubes right off. I mean, tell me you can use something else after seeing this. Like, this is why I'm addicted to tubing mascara and will continue to use BLINC tubing mascara.